Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to split screen and multitask on Windows 11. So let's suppose you are using Google Chrome, alright, and just browsing something else, and you are also working on some project, or like you want to see any kind of files, or you want to work with any kind of files, anything it can be. So let's suppose I'm just opening that a file explorer, all right. So I want to see that file explorer and to work on this file explorer, and also I want to work on Google Chrome side by side, all right. But right now you can see if I click on this, I cannot just work. If I click on the file explorer, I just, we can see that it's being minimized, the Google Chrome is being minimized. So how we can just deal with this? So what you can do is you can see that the minimize icon, okay, on the top right side. So here you can see, if you put your mouse cursor on this icon, you can see there are two split screen, you can see there are also different ratio of split screening, and also there are 3 split screen. You can see there are also 4. So let's suppose I want to do this by 2 split screen, okay. I want to use just like that. Now you can simply, if you want to keep this Windows Explorer on the left side of your screen, just click on left simply, and if you want to do it on the right, just simply click on right. So I'm just going to click on left, okay. Now here you can see there are others tabs which you can see open. So I just want to use this, okay, this Chrome. So you can see I can work on this side, I can just and also I can scroll down on, and I can browse on the right side as well. So that's how you can do it, okay. So let me show you if you want to do it by 3 split screen, okay. So let's suppose just put your mouse cursor on that icon and click on the screen where you want to put your work on. Now here you can see this is on the middle, okay. So let me select the Chrome, it's set on the left, okay. Now I have to select that you can see that tab which I want to keep on right side. So I'm just selecting Camtasia 2021. So here you can see I can work on the Camtasia as well. I can also work on the you can see on the middle file explorer as well, and I can also browse. And if you want to do it by 4 split screen, you can also do the same thing. You can just select, okay, this is selected as top left side, it's top right side, and I'm selecting this also. And if I want to click on this, here you can see this is actually my recording going on, okay. So this is showing actually, so this is, maybe you cannot see that, so don't need to worry about it. Now you can also work just like that. So that's how you can multitask, and you can also split screen on Windows 11. So it's a very useful tool, I found myself, because sometimes I need that tool as well. So yep. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.